The 1956 Ford F-100 has long been admired as a rugged farm workhorse, a symbol of durability and blue-collar strength from America's golden era of pickup trucks. But the example you see today is something far more extraordinary. This isn't just another old Ford brought back to life. It's a Restomod masterpiece, a truck that redefines what it means to blend classic style with modern performance. The first thing that strikes you is the paint. Instead of a factory color, this F-100 wears a deep root beer bronze finish, shimmering like liquid metal under the sun. Protected by a discreet nose film to ward off rock chips, the flawless paintwork tells you immediately this is no ordinary restoration. The details confirm it. A forward-tilting hood, flush-mounted glass that eliminates vent windows, polished wood in the bed with a hidden fuel door, and modern headlights nestled within the classic chrome grille. Every inch of this truck has been touched with purpose. Rolling on 18-inch Butnick aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky Pirelli P0 tires, the stance is aggressive but refined. The polished spokes catch the light with every rotation, hinting that this F-100 is built not just to be admired, but to be driven. Inside, the cabin carries the same theme of modern craftsmanship woven into vintage character. Brown and tan leather upholstery is stitched to perfection, while details like billet aluminum knobs, crank-style power window switches, and a custom I Did It steering column reinforce the obsessive level of detail. Behind the Butnick steering wheel, digital gauges glow, blending nostalgia with technology. Lift the hood and the transformation becomes undeniable. Powering this legend is a Ford 351 Windsor V8, tuned and upgraded to deliver 403 horsepower. Edelbrock heads, a Holley 4-barrel carb, JBA shorty headers, and custom valve covers make this engine bay look like jewelry. A polished alternator and compressor glisten against a cherrywood bronze firewall, while an electric fan and aluminum radiator ensure reliability in any condition. This nearly 70-year-old pickup is more than capable of handling modern highways and traffic jams alike. That power flows into a Ford AOD 4-speed automatic transmission, feeding a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 gears. Underneath, things get even more serious. A C4 Corvette front suspension, adjustable coilovers, torsion bars, rack and pin steering, and 4-wheel power disc brakes. In short, this truck doesn't just look good, it drives like a true modern performance machine. The boiler mufflers with an X-pipe deliver a sound that is deep, smooth, and commanding, turning every drive into a show. What's perhaps most striking is the balance between form and function. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a truck you can genuinely enjoy behind the wheel. From its frame-off build quality to its carefully curated details, this Restomod delivers on every front. The underside is as immaculate as the paint, proving that no shortcuts were taken in the build process. Priced at $179,900, this 1956 Ford F-100 is more than a collector's item. It's living proof that history and modern performance can coexist in harmony. It stands as a tribute to Ford's heritage, reimagined through craftsmanship, technology, and passion. Whether entered in shows, tearing down back roads, or simply cruising through town soaking in admiring stares, this truck is the ultimate blend of classic soul and modern muscle.